In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone an admin in Wrike. This process is straightforward and should take about 5 minutes to complete. Whether you're a team leader looking to delegate responsibilities or managing a large project that requires additional oversight, knowing how to assign admin rights is crucial. Let's walk through the steps together, and by the end of this guide, you'll have all the knowledge you need to confidently promote a team member to an admin role. First, begin by opening your web browser and navigating to wrike.com. You'll want to log in using the email credentials associated with your account. Just click on the login button in the upper right corner of the home page and enter your details. If you're having trouble accessing your account, consider resetting your password by following the prompts available during login, but hopefully that won't be necessary. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on your screen. Here you'll notice your profile image. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where all your account configurations reside, and it's the hub for managing your personal and team preferences within Wrike. Now, in the Settings area, you'll see several options on the left-hand panel. Look for Account Management, and under that, select Users. This section lists everyone in your workspace who has access to your Wrike account. Not only can you adjust permissions here, but you can also view details about user roles and responsibilities. Scroll through your list of users and locate the individual you wish to make an admin. Click on their name or profile image. This action will bring up a detailed overview of their current role and settings. Sometimes, depending on how many users you have, this might take a moment as the list loads, so just be patient. Once you have the user's profile open, look for the Edit Settings option. Depending on your current settings, you may need to scroll down a bit to find it. Click on Edit Settings, which opens up the detailed configuration options for this user. Now you're going to change their role. Under the user type section, you'll see the user's current role displayed. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Admin. This step is pivotal because it grants them additional permissions, allowing them to manage other users, view analytics, and generally provide more comprehensive oversight within your Wrike workspace. Finally, click on Save Changes to apply the new user type. This ensures that your adjustments take effect immediately. You'll want to confirm that the user type has updated on their profile. It's always good practice to double check your work to avoid any potential oversights. And there you have it, your selected team member now has admin access within your Wrike account. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more comfortable navigating and managing roles within Wrike. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our tutorials. Happy managing!